Hey traders, today is Tuesday, January 13th, and I'm Michael Boutros, Senior Market Analyst with StoneX, here for a quick multi-time frame look at Aussie dollar. Here's what the weekly charts show. We broke through the 2022 trend line late last year. You have a rally of nearly 5.4% off of that November low, exhausting into uptrend resistance early in the month. Now, there's a couple of different breakout opportunities that might be in play here. Namely, the monthly opening range is taking shape right above the objective yearly open. I'll show you that on the daily chart in a moment. Here on the weekly chart, you got 67.23, which is the 786 retracement of the broader 2024 decline as resistance. We're still constructive while above the September high week reversal close. That's 65.92. Basically 66 handle is where the lower parallel converges on. So is a threat for some kickback here. Momentum holding just below 60. So it might also be a tell if we pop 60 to the upside with a move through resistance, might be the resumption. But the immediate focus is on a range and an embedded range within that range. Here's what it looks like on the daily chart. So yearly open support comes in at 66.73. That converges on the median line of a more near-term pitchfork we've been tracking just off the November lows. Resistance right at the 2025 high close. That extends into the 618 retracement of the decline of the monthly range. That gives you 67.17 to 67.27. So that level that we were looking at on the weekly chart embedded right in there. The immediate focus is on a breakout of this range right here. Okay, a topside breach inevitably above 67.67, which is just the objective range highs for the month, is needed to mark resumption of the broader uptrend. You're looking at the objective 2024 and 2023 yearly opens just above the 68 handle, 68.10 into 68.17. Now, if we settle below the monthly range lows, here's what it looks like on the 4-hour chart. The monthly range low comes in at 66.63, just below that yearly open. A break below this would suggest that there's a threat for a larger pullback, all within the confines of the November uptrend. Okay, that would open up 66.35, which is just a 38.2 retracement of that November rally. Again, bullish invalidation right into the 66 handle. That's the level that would need to fundamentally shift our technical view on Aussie dollar. So immediate range break of just this week's range nestled between really well-defined technical parameters. A topside breach, a soft target at the 786 retracement gives you 67.45. But again, it's that break above 67.66, 67.67 that would be needed to mark uptrend resumption and certainly the next major leg of this advance towards those yearly opens. We do have event risk later today. It'll probably be out by the time this video comes out, but we get CPI in early New York trade. Tomorrow, we do get an update on retail sales and some more inflation figures with PPI. Australian data is pretty limited for this week. Obviously, there's also some geopolitical concerns that are hitting the headlines as well. I'll try to keep you updated as always on MB4X on X. Till then, best of luck trading. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.